Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, yo, which is Main Script. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping on this channel. So, guys, in today's video is a very special one, so I want you to stay till the end of this video and make sure you like this video, share this video. Most of us have not been seeing paying airdrops recently, but in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through on how to make money with Bybit Airdrop Hunt. I know some of us have seen a section on that on Bybit. So the first thing you have to do, as you know, is to register an account with Bybit. But if you already have an account and you're verified, so you're good to go. But if you don't have an account, I'll be leaving a link to register in this video description. After you register, then you have to complete your KYC verification for you to be able to perform every transaction on Bybit. So you just have to come over to trade. Once you come over to trade, then you have to scroll down. You see this Sport X, and under the Sport X, they have various stuff you can participate in. We have the launch pool, we have the token splash, we have puzzle hunts. Participating in all these events, you tend to win reward. So this is another way of earning instead of participating in airdrops, not paying airdrops. So you can just participate in the Sports X activity. So you see mega drop, you see buy vote, you see launchpad, buy starter, and you also be seeing this airdrop hunt. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you through how to make money with the airdrop hunt. This where the new token that will be listed will be posted. So you see our airdrop hunt, you see perform tasks for a chance to win token. You participating in all these events, all these airdrop events, you tend to win token. That is the actual airdrop token. So you see the total price pool that has been shared, then you see the total people that have participated, then you see the total projects that's been listed. A lot of people are participating. You see past events. Presently, they are not hosting any events now. So I'm just making this video tell you how you can actually make money. So now we see past events. We are seeing this J airdrop event, and the total price pool that was shared was 100,000 J. And you see the amount of people that participated. You see the average reward per winner. Let's say a new event was just posted, you're going to be seeing view details. Then so you can just go ahead to click on view details, then just get to register for the event. So let's just go over to the view details. You see you have to log in and register before this date, but it has already ended. Complete all the tasks. You have to follow Bybit, and you have to make sure that you complete all the tasks before or between these dates. The first task, follow Bybit. Second, follow them on Twitter. Third task is just to quote and repost, then complete the deposit task. So deposit at least 100 USDT, complete the trade task, that is trade at least 100 USDT of J on pre-market spots, get a chance to win 40 J. Okay, let's now look at the results of this token after the launch. So let's just go over to the sports area. Okay, for me to get across the sports, I'll just come over to trading, then I'll just go over to sports. Okay, so I'll just come over to search for, let's search for J here. Okay, here's the token. You see, here's the token. So we're actually looking at the first 2 days of listing, because after it has been listed, that's when your token will be distributed to you. So I'm looking at a month time frame. So you see that the initially the token is not performing well. In the first month, the token rose to about, immediately it was listed, it rose to about $1. You see $1.3. So let's say immediately you were giving your token, then you decided to sell, not to hold, because that is what you are supposed to do. Holding airdrops is not 100% okay like that. On the daily time frame, you saw that it was listed, then rose up to 1.3. So let's go over to our calculator now. Let's say 1.3 times the 40 you were given for, that is the average that a person got. So that is about $52. You'll be making $52 from your $100 trading. That is, you're still making 50% return. So this is a way of you making money from airdrop hunts. The bad side of it is that you don't have to hold for so long. Once you've made your profits, like you've made 30% profit, 50% profit, sometimes they can give you up to 80% profit. So just make sure that you're selling immediately. Immediately it was listed, it rose up, then drop. So let's say you now, when you came online, you were able to sell at $1. So if you sell at $1, you still be making a profit of $40, which is still good. Let's say you invested a big amount in trading transaction, then you still be getting more than $20. You might be getting $200, even $300, up to 80% of the amount you invested. So this for the airdrop hunt. Airdrop hunt most times are really good, but don't hold for a long period of time. The motive is just for you to make profits. Once you've made your profit 20%, 30%, 50%, you are good to go. Just go to click on the sell button. So the next you should be looking out for is the next opportunity. So guys, that will be all for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping. Bye guys.